Hello and welcome back to art class. Just a quick review just to make sure that we are all on the same page when it comes to your paint scales. We're going to start with this and then I'm going to walk you through your still life assignment. Please remember that it's really important that you take your time on the color wheels and color scales so that you fully understand how to mix all the colors, get the different shades, get the different tints of the colors. So here I have for you my example of the different colors. You need a gray one, a red scale, a yellow scale, and a blue scale. Please understand that the gray scale, pretty simple. You start with white, slowly adding the black to get the different shades. Always starting with a lighter color, slowly adding the darker so you don't make an excessive amount of paint. Red scale, pretty simple again. Start with white, slowly add your red to get your pinks here until you get to pure red. Once you hit pure red, you need to start with a fresh red and slowly add black. White should not be involved in this one. Pure red to black. The same thing is going to be true with your yellow and then your blue. What I want you to notice though is your red is right in the middle. That's because it's about right in the middle of white and black in the terms of brightness. Yellow is a lot brighter, so it's going to be closer to white with less shades between. Blue is lower and closer to black because it is closer to black on the scale because it's a darker color, so it's going to have less shades between blue and black. Okay, so there's that. You're going to cut these out, glue them onto the black construction paper, and then go onto your color wheel. Your color wheel, okay, right here, is gonna have your 12 slices all done, okay? Again, starting with your lighter color, so yellow, slowly adding blue to get yellow-green, adding a little more blue to get green, adding a little more blue to get blue-green, and you keep going all the way around. You also need your brown, but brown is all the primary colors, yellow with a little bit of red and a little bit of blue to get your brown color. If it looks green, that means you're missing red because yellow and blue make green, so that means you're missing the red. If it looks orange, you're missing blue, again, because yellow and red make orange, so you're missing the blue part. If it looks purple, you're missing yellow because obviously blue and red make purple, so you're missing more of the yellow shade to get the brown. Again, once both of these are done, cut them out, glue them on black construction paper, and then you can turn those in. In addition to the self-portrait collage and your scales, you guys are also going to be completing a still life painting. Okay, so I've got my tablecloth, I've got the outlet box, I've got the mailbox slots behind it. You need to include 10 feet of depth in this and to use, obviously, then the color theory that we just learned. So how to mix all the right colors to get the right shades. I'm gonna show you just real quick your still life kind of example right there. Okay, from where I'm sitting. And the first thing that you're gonna do, if you're not sure what to do and forget anything from this video, I have this lovely cheat sheet for you that has all the directions right on it. Okay, it says first pick out a spot. So decide where it is you wanna work. Then cut out a viewfinder. I have all these little pieces of paper here that you're going to then cut out a little square of to look through to see what it is you're going to draw. Again, making sure it includes part of the still life and making sure that it includes at least 10 feet of depth, just like we did for our drawings, except you're gonna have these little edges here that tell you where to cut off your drawing, okay? Once you've got that, you're gonna go on to the next step where it says to do 3 practice views and sketch those out. Those are called thumbnail sketches. Just like on your computer screen, if you're looking at your photos, you have to get these little options or these little mini pictures. Those are called thumbnails. Here I have sketched out your thumbnail sketches. There's 1, there's 2, and here's a third one. Oops, sorry. Different directions. I've done 1 vertical, 1 horizontal, and 1 square one. Okay, you're gonna do 3 of those. Decide which composition is most interesting for you. So which one do you like best? You're gonna do that. Show it to me with your viewfinder. So you're gonna walk up to me and say, I like this one best out of my 3. I've got this. If you wanna do a larger version of this and practice your paint, you may. But then after I approve you, you're gonna get your paper out and you are going to start to paint what it is that you see through that viewfinder. This will take you a while because you do not get to draw first. You have to paint. You want to work large first, okay? Do large spaces, then go back and add your detail. This person did the iron in it, and they've included the 10 feet of depth because they have the reflection in the iron. I'm going to walk you over here to show you just a couple other options that students have done in the past to kind of give you an idea. You can kind of take a look right up there at that one. It's got the flowers, the tablecloth. This is a really nice option. It has my color wheel, the scales. Notice how the vases are cut off. They've chosen an interesting composition there. Lastly, if you can kind of see it over here, again, a great example of the tablecloth, chair, vases, and includes the 10 feet of depth, but it also still includes part of a still life. Their colors are done accurately. They did their practice sketches first, and then they went on to painting their final, okay? Between the color scales and wheel, the self-portrait collage, now your still life painting, and the pottery wheel, those are the last things you need to complete by the end of the school year. So we've got a lot to do. Project 1 should probably be wrapping up pretty soon here to make sure that you get everything done on time. Thank you very much.